Today we're making a rich and creamy chocolate mousse cake with a soft chocolate sponge, a smooth mousse layer, and a decadent chocolate center. Start by preparing the chocolate sponge base. In a bowl, add 2 eggs and whisk until fully combined. Add 128 grams of sugar and 70 grams of oil, then whisk again until smooth. In a separate bowl, mix together 165 grams of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a quarter teaspoon of baking soda. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence into the egg mixture, then gradually add the dry ingredients and whisk until just combined. In another bowl, mix 140 grams of cocoa powder with 127 grams of water to create a smooth chocolate mixture. Pour this into the batter and mix well until fully combined. Transfer the batter into a lined baking tray and bake in a preheated oven at 170 Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. Once baked, allow the cake to cool completely. To prepare the chocolate cream center, add 50 grams of sugar, 20 grams of cocoa powder, and 4 tablespoons of milk into a pan. Cook over medium-low heat while stirring continuously until the mixture thickens, bubbles, and darkens. Remove from the heat and stir in 2 tablespoons of butter until smooth. Set aside to cool. Next, make the mousse layer. In a pan, cook 3 tablespoons of corn flour with 1 tablespoon of water, stirring continuously until it thickens into a pudding-like consistency. Let it cool completely. Transfer this to a bowl and use an electric mixer to break it up and make it smooth. Add 1 cup of whipping cream and mix well. Bloom 2 tablespoons of gelatin with 2 tablespoons of water, then add it to the cream mixture and whisk until everything is smooth, light, and airy. To assemble, take the cooled cake and cut it into circles that fit your cupcake tray or molds. Pipe or spoon the mousse mixture into each mold, filling halfway. Using a spoon, create a small dip in the center, then add the chocolate cream filling. Place the piece of cake on top to seal. Refrigerate until it fully sets. Once firm, carefully remove from the molds and finish by dusting the tops with cocoa powder for a clean, elegant look. And there you have it. A rich chocolate mousse cake with a soft sponge base, creamy filling, and a decadent chocolate center. If you enjoyed this easy chocolate dessert recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more baking ideas, and share this with a fellow chocolate lover.